I have to beat my high score 3 times. If I get copyrighted, it feels me to so close. Oh, Showdown on Wednesday. You look at the top left corner. No. Top right corner. Oh. Right under the coin count when it's walking in, you see top right. That's how much I have left until I beat my score. So I gotta do that. Not that sucks. What the hell is wrong with me? No, sorry, still not flashing everywhere. Push that. I got No! Why did I do that? What is wrong with me and that? Get rid of the drum.
Your great-grandfather and great-grandmother will come back to visit your door. Absolutely do not open the door for them. Please tell me how you...
Okay, after that disaster, I'm back. Oh wait, hang on, now I gotta beat that score. You got fine. Should I do this shit on? I'm doing this shit. I'm gonna show you what the showdown is. That was just retarded to you. What's wrong with you? So how are you? Okay, what did I get hit? Okay, y'all, they both just... They both just... Come on, we gotta go. Come. Yes!
I need a kunai. This is correct. Wait, why are you not pouring it properly?
What happened? Science 2 Hoverbirds. Okay. This helps us out a lot right now. Gives us a head start. It's a lot easier finding Why did I do that? What is... I beat it. Okay, one more time and then I'll end it. Or keep y'all. Hold on, place it all. Oh, what's wrong with me? Oh, bro. My bad, I forgot to unpause the recording. Now I'll look for these things. Oh, I already have. Oh my god, I did not just oh no, that's the top run as well. You know, I could beat that. Oh, actually, well, I used to be so good at this game. Okay, that would be something. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. No. Oh, ad. Sorry about that ad, bro. We got so many ads. I'm sorry, guys. How much? 2,000. Oh my god. Look, I beat my own score. So, come on. Okay, just... I didn't beat my score? Oh, okay. What? Sorry, but I ain't stopping until I beat it. You got another map? Sam/Castile. Yeah, Sam Castile from my Look at this house. I'm going to try to beat the top run. Actually. Why did I do that? What is wrong with me? What the actual heck is wrong with me? No. I'll do that later. I just finished Jujutsu Kaisen. I was about to make a wrong turn there. Oh, this might have to be a whole series, cause why did I jump there? What is wrong with me? No, I'm good. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot to double tap. It wouldn't double tap. Wait, I beat my high school. Oh my god, it just didn't say it. I beat my high school and it didn't say it. Oh my god, but I guess that's really if some of the surprise. Peace. Shut up.